Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Anish. So we are going to do a monthly reading for Taurus for the month of September. This will be a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Okay, so in this reading we will see the overall energy for the month, obstacles, guidance, actions for you and the probable outcome. Okay, so let's see. At the end we will take a guiding message from the angels and ancestors, so please do stay till the end. And let's see, what do the cards have for you, Taurus? Oops, we'll take that. Okay, that's the overall energy. All right. Oops. Okay, so the overall energy for the month for you, Taurus, I see you are dealing with a situation. आप किसी ऐसे emotional situation से deal कर रहे हो. It can be in your relations that you are emotionally tired. It looks like कि you are हर चीज़ का बोझ एक साथ लेके आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हो आप, and that is what is making you tired. It's like if it's you who is you know taking the burden or trying to manage everything all at once, you will definitely feel tired. Okay, so what you have to do is try to take or focus on one thing at a time if possible. Okay, so that is what I am seeing. हर चीज़ को अगर आप एक साथ लेके आगे जाओगे तो आप ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जा पाओगे और बहुत जल्दी ड्रेन हो जाओगे, आपकी एनर्जी बहुत जल्दी ड्रेन हो जाएगी एंड यू विल फील लाइक गिविंग अप इन द सिचुएशन की नहीं हो रहा है, जाने दो. तो वो नहीं करना है. डोंट गिव अप, जस्ट ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन. अगर आप जस्ट किसी चीज़ को प्रायोरिटाइज कर सकते हो तो आप उस चीज़ पे ध्यान दो, ना कि हर चीज़ को एक साथ लेके आगे बढ़ो, बिकॉज इट विल बी अ वेरी टायरिंग एनर्जी फॉर यू. ओके, सो दैट्स द ओवरऑल एनर्जी. The key challenge I feel, I think, I don't know, it can be very few or very specific of you, that you are dealing with a connection where you're not able to express what you're going through emotionally, and to the outside world आप दिखा रहे हो कि आप सब चीज़ एक साथ कर रहे हो, मे बी अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, everything on your health, you are taking care of everything, not डिस्क्लोजिंग वॉट यू आर एक्चुअली गोइंग थ्रू इनसाइड. आपके अंदर क्या चल रहा है आप वो लोगों को पता नहीं होने दे रहे हो, क्योंकि आप हर चीज़ को एक साथ शोइंग दैट आई एम टेकिंग केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग एंड आई एम परफेक्टली ओके, बट डीप डाउन यू आर नॉट ओके. You are in pain, you are somewhere dealing with a heartbreak or a betrayal energy, broken trust, and it is draining you within. बाहर से देख के कोई समझ नहीं पाएगा शायद कि आपके अंदर क्या चल रहा है, एंड यू आर इन सो मच ऑफ पेन. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम फीलिंग. आई एम गेटिंग दिस मैसेज स्ट्रांगली. And because you are not expressing what is happening, you are having this subconscious fear कि I don't want to open up, I don't want to be vulnerable. मैं लोगों को नहीं बताना चाहती मेरे साथ क्या हुआ है और what I have gone through or what I am going through, because nobody will understand. Okay, so it's like I will keep the pain to myself, I will deal with it, and I don't need anybody. And because of all that, you are somewhere not able to decide on a particular thing. आपको कोई डिसीजन लेना है. आई डोंट नो, मे बी इट कैन बी अ डिसीजन रिलेटेड टू योर मैरिज or related to a commitment, or responding to a proposal which has come to you, and you are somewhere not coming out of your subconscious fear कि you somewhere you are having this कि जो पहले हुआ है, I have not overcome that, और I am not ready to face that again. एक बोलते हैं ना कि एक पहले का एक्सपीरियंस का वो जो डर है, वो जो तकलीफ़ है, उसको माइंड में रख के आप आगे के प्रपोज़ल को या जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी है उसके लिए आप डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहे हो, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट फियर. नॉट एबल टू थिंक क्लियरली. एक तरफ आपका माइंड बोलता है कि इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके टू मूव ऑन, एंड सडनली अनदर साइड says no, what happens if whatever has happened before, whatever pain you have gone through before, अगर वो फिर से repeat हुआ तो how you will deal with it. So there is a constant battle between what to do and what not to do. Yeah, that is what I see. And since you are not able to express your undergoing, your pain, your suffering to anyone, you are kind of being very harsh in your communication, being very blunt, and somewhere people may say, or the people around you may think that what is wrong with this person, why the person is इतना frustrated क्यों हो है ये person, why is Taurus so frustrated, why are they talking to me like this, what have I done wrong, because they are not understanding what is running in you. Okay, and since you are not able to express things clearly, you are in this in a loop कि क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना, not able to decide. And since you are not able to decide, you are just thinking a lot. There's a lot of overthinking and lot of emotional turmoil going on, and being in the loop कि अभी I have to take care of my work, I have to take care of my personal life, I have to balance my health, I have to take care of my finances. Everything is like you are not able to decide what you need to actually focus on right now. That is what is the energy. You need to heal yourself first. That is what the guidance for you I would suggest is that you should do, Taurus. You need to focus on healing your wound. You need to focus on self-love, self-healing, self-care. That is how you will be able to get the clarity. अगर आप अपना ध्यान नहीं रखोगे, अपने wounds को heal नहीं करोगे, तो things will be very difficult to work in your favor and give you the clarity to think clearly. See, the guiding message for you is set your sights higher. So आपको ना पास्ट को नहीं देखना है, आपको फ्यूचर को देखते हुए अपने डिसीजंस लेना है. ओके, और वो आप कब कर पाओगे, जब आप इस एनर्जी से बाहर आओगे, इस पेनफुल, इस वुंडेड एनर्जी से बाहर आओगे, तभी आप फ्यूचर को ध्यान में रख के कोई डिसीजन ले पाओगे. अगर आप पास्ट को फोकस करके डिसीजन लेने की कोशिश करोगे तो इट विल ऑब्वियसली इट विल ऑलवेज बी इन यू विल ऑलवेज बी इन अ लूप कि whatever has happened before can happen again. You never know what the future is. It can be like a magical box, right? So it can be something which in a positive way which you are not expecting. Maybe the kind of love, the kind of care you were expecting in your recent past or past, maybe you will get 1,000 times more or much better thing in the future, right? So you need to be very careful. You need to first focus on healing yourself, healing your wounds, and then you need to decide or take the action or decision accordingly. Okay, so that's the reading for you, Taurus. Just deal with the situation in a manner that you are first focusing on healing yourself and then moving ahead in your life. Okay, because if you will not heal your wounds, you will somewhere attract the same person who will add on to that wound. So you don't have to do that. Okay, so just try to focus on healing yourself, loving yourself, taking care of your needs, taking care of yourself, and then decide what do you feel is right for you. Okay, so that's the reading for you guys. Please do claim the positive energy by saying that you focus on self-love, self-care, and you are your priority. And please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.